Hello everyone, Fadi is here, and let's see how to return back, for example, properties and project browser panels if they are gone. So if I am working in Revit, and as you see, if by accident I have clicked to close this properties panel, so the solution here is to go to View tab and then to Windows ribbon, and you have to go to user interface and then check on the properties to return it back to its place. Also, if it is gone, you can also double check or double click on P, which is PP, which is the abbreviation of the properties, and it will be back. The same for the project browser. If it is by accident has gone, also I have to go to View, User Interface, and then to Project Browser, and it will be returned back to its place. This is the way to return back any of these panels that have gone from View tab to ribbons or Windows ribbons, and then User Interface, and you have to check what you want to check. Also, as you see here, we have here a quick access toolbar. You can also come here and click on any one of these, or you can customize your quick access toolbar. For example, what is first, what is next, and something like that. Or if you want to delete something, for example, if I want to delete the print here, I can click on it. So if I click OK, you can see that it has gone from the quick access toolbar. So from here you can also customize your quick access toolbar. Another thing I want to show to you, if you want to change anything, you can go to File, Option. For example, if you want to change the graphics or the colors, you can click here from light to dark, and if I click OK, you can see that the Revit has gone to the dark mode. And if you want to return it back, you have to go to Options and to Colors and go to Light, and it will be the background. Also here the canvas color, you can also use dark, but you can change the background only. For example, if I click OK, you can see the Revit will be in the dark mode, but the canvas here will be on the white. So this is also how to manage the colors of your Revit canvas. Also here, if I make light, also it will be changed for the same, because I changed the color in the first, but now it will take it from the mode. Usually I like to work on the light here, light mode, so I will return it back to my settings. That's all for today. I wish that you are interested in this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. See you